Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to the morning show. I will be reviewing my trades in a bit once we have enough viewers. At the moment, we have only couple on Facebook and a few on YouTube. Salam Muhammad Ali, how are you doing? I'm gonna quickly go and make myself a cup of coffee and I'll be back soon. Welcome to live trading show, guys. So I will be going through my trades this morning, and also if opportunity is there, I would be taking more trades during the day. So hopefully, let's see what happens. We have 43 minutes to the bell. If this is first time you are watching us, this channel, please do subscribe and also hit the like button and press the bell icon so you get the notifications on time for the content we put on. I will be releasing one video today about what is PDT rule. So hopefully that will help you in some ways. If you are new to trading, please do leave a comment and ask the trading community here on live chat, or ask me direct questions if you like, and I would be happy to help you wherever I can. So this morning I took about 10 trades. $12 trades in total. One on SPRT, it was yesterday's play. So it got some traction this morning, so I did a quick trade. Made $100 on it. I only bought 1,000 shares. And then mainly I traded at 4 o'clock in the morning EST. I traded BNTC at the time it was lead gapper, and it's lead gapper today with a volume of 15 millions so far traded. I bought in 2 lots. First order was at 462 for 1,000 shares, and the second order was for 1,000 shares for 50. It was right here. So this was my first order, and this was my second order as it continued dipping. But I knew that this is the lead gapper today with volume. At that time the volume was around 100,000, and at 33 seconds past 4 a.m. it's huge volume, as you can see. And if there is volume at that time, that means the stock is going to rise further. So I bought in 2 lots and then sold, took some profit off around in 3 orders, 180, 150 and $100 and 105. Then bought 250 more shares here, around here, sold some, then bought in 2 orders again, sold, took some profit off the table, then bought right at the top and sold same when it started dipping. But then I added more here. It was around 627 and took smaller profits like 200, 192, 135, $40, and then took a small loss of $7.50. Then entered again around here for 1,000, and then another 1,000 for 599, and then took profit off the table, $100, then took small loss of $10, then took profit of $10 and took a small loss of $17.5. And then I entered again at 594 as it climbed. It was around here. and then 630 by 125 shares, but took some profits off 55, 47.50, 28.75, 70, and then finally $58 profit, and came out right here. Everything sold out, and then it continued dipping. It came down all the way to this previous support level around here, 568, climbed back up to 650, around 650, and then came down again to the same support level and was pushed back up, and since then it has been continuously going up. So it broke the previous high and went all the way to $8.40, around 40 cents. But I never took these trades as I was happy what I made. My net profit and loss today is 1,572. Let me quickly export this. So I'm going to just pull up my Excel sheet so that you could see the trades. For some reason the window is not coming up, but my net total is let me just quickly check what's happening. $1,572.50. That's my net on the upside. Oh yeah, you could see it now. Okay, so that's what it is today. Yes, I could have made more if I traded the breakout, but I decided not to overtrade. This was perfect opportunity when this broke around this level. If you notice that, you know, this was previous high, and it tried almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, and when this broke, I should have taken a trade around here, 659, and this is 5-minute candle and another 5-minute candle. It would have given really healthy profit of probably $2 per share. I was away from my screen, so I didn't take any trade after that. Hi Damien, how are you doing? Have you taken any trade this morning? Hi Narajis, how are you? Have you taken any trades this morning? Please do share what have you traded and what was the outcome. My trades were very simple this morning, no problem at all. Most of them were in good profit. I just kept taking the profit off the table as I do usually when it comes to day trading, and also keep adding to my position. So it was just first 15 minutes. The entire action happened between 4 a.m. EST to 4:15 EST, which is amazing. I mean, first 15 minutes of your morning, if you're up 1500 $1600, your day is done. Yeah, you're done for the day. So that is exactly what I have been doing. Whatever I make during the in the morning session, I just like walk away with that, whether it's a loss or a profit. Sometimes I do make loss, like a few days ago I made $421 loss. So I walked away with that loss because I don't try to take revenge on market, which I used to initially very when I was new, but that always ended really bad. So revenge trading, yes, a few times it could end up well, but most of the time it ends up even worse. So if let's say market has taken from you $100 and you try to make back that $100 with emotions, you will end up like giving another 100 back. And then if you keep doing that, by the time you realize, you maybe end up giving $500 loss or 1,000, or sometimes even completely wipe out because one wrong trade, and that's it, you're out. So what I do is, whether I take a loss or a profit, I just walk away with that. And that is the best thing to do, honestly, if you want to sustain and be consistent with your day trading, because every morning there will be an opportunity. I mean, I never woke up, maybe once or twice I switched my laptop on and I did not find any trade, but most of the time I do find trades which are mostly in profit. So you see, I mean, if you survive one day to another day to trade, that's the mindset you should have. I mean, you can't become millionaire overnight or in one trade or in on a same day trading. So I would say play safe. Yes, you have to be bold at some point. Like this morning, I missed the opportunity, even bigger opportunity. I took all the trades here and made $1,500 profit, but I completely ignored this breakout where I could have made another probably $2,000. But I was away from my screen and I did not really pay attention to it. So yeah, sometimes you have to just let go of things. If you look at this area here, it was quite important. And this wasn't a usual stock when it makes some big move in the morning, and then after 5 a.m., which is I think 9 a.m. BST, starts making its way down. This held these levels 568. It really held it. It touched once, twice, three times, and came around 575, and then it just consolidated around that area and finally pop to 846, which could have, if I were to take this trade, I would have taken this trade around here. Basically, I go with moving average and also the volume candles. So I would have taken trade around this price, 626, and it would have easily given me $2 profit. If I kept taking profit off the table and adding maybe more, 3,000, 3,500, but yeah, I missed it. It's fine. I'm happy. I'm up on the day. So yeah, you can't grab every single opportunity which comes your way. And especially if you overtrade, you could kill yourself. Literally kill yourself. You can wipe yourself out. So my final P&L today is here around $1,572. I will see if there is a clear opportunity, I will take a trade. BNTC looking really good with volume 16.3 million volume. HOTH, wow, yeah, it's it did climb this morning again. I did not spot it. It's absolutely fine. As I said, not every opportunity you can grab. So sometimes the best trades are the ones which you don't take. But this would have been really good trade. Really good trade. I would have taken it around here, or picked up around here. 340, yeah. Or on first pullback, which was here, 250, and it just completely gone parabolic after that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 5 minutes, it went from 250 to 335. Amazing trade it would have been. Yes, HOTH, really good trade. So do we have any good news about Stimmy? We have 25 minutes to the bell, guys, and let's see what today brings us. I am not trading today anymore. If I get clear opportunity, yes, but otherwise I am absolutely okay with what I have this morning. So for those who are joining me just now and it's very first time you're seeing this screen, so this is my these are my trades here. I have NYSE gainers of the day, and also I have Nasdaq gainers on the day. So I have the top lead gapper is BNTC, which has climbed 127%, and it has 16.5 volume. Okay, now it's coming. DLPN has just popped, so not sure what's the news, but volume is around 770,000. Also I have HOTH, which has done 15.6 volume, and it has only gained 38.10%. But lead gapper now is DLPN. Easy trade on pullback. I'm not trading, I'm not chasing a stock, so I'm just watching in action. If I were to take a trade, I would just take on this red candle, and if it comes to around this level, but I doubt it very much. I wouldn't mind taking it now because I know it has strength. But again, with stop loss, strict stop loss, you should know when to walk out, when to take your loss. Like on these trades, I took $10, $17, $7, smaller losses, but my gains were bigger, so I end up making good profit. You see, I knew this candle and this candle would have given me it's clear indication that, you know, easy 20-30 cents profit, so you quickly scalp it. You don't wait around to make a big move, just keep taking the profit off the table and keep adding to your position. But be ready to just get out of the trade if it goes against you. So you should always have a stop loss in your mind. If you don't like hard stop losses, I don't like hard stop losses, because sometimes what happens is a stock falls to your stop loss and it triggers your stop loss, and then it makes new move. In this case, for example, it came to 13.13, and then look at it, it went up again. So if, for example, your stop loss was maybe if you entered here at 13.50 and your stop loss was 20 cents, so your stop loss would have been at 13.30, and guess it would trigger and then climb back up again. So sometimes it's just a pullback, and then before it makes new high. And if your stop loss triggers, that means you have taken the loss for no reason. Maybe stock still had the strength. So I would always give my stop losses a little bit room to bounce off. Sometimes strict stop losses end up making you more losses than profits, because you must understand your entry. So I would, as I said, you know, I would have entered it around here. Yeah, even came down to 12.13. Yeah, so easy 50 cents profit on this one if you keep getting in and getting out, getting in and getting out. But you have to be using hotkeys. You can't just keep preparing the order here. Let's say I want to buy 1,000 shares, and then I put the price I want to enter, and then the route I want to take, and all these things. It takes time, and by the time you press buy, you don't know where the price would head. You could potentially lose a lot, or it's called slippage. So that's why having hotkeys helps a lot, because you can you can get in and get out quicker. Yeah, keep your losses small and you will be okay. If you are up on in the week probably $500 and you lost $100 today, it's fine, as long as you don't lose that 500. Don't give back your profits entirely. It's always making money and protecting that money. And guys, I would recommend these wafer rolls with cocoa cream. They're delicious. They're absolutely delicious. I think HOTH is done for the day. I could be wrong, but hardly any activity on it. There's no activity at all. Volume is dying out. If you see here, not enough volume. Could pick up later on, maybe at open or something, but I believe it's done for now. If this is first time you're watching us, please do subscribe the channel and also hit the like button and bell icon so that you get the notification on time for the content. And if you do find this useful, please share it with your friends and family, whoever you think might be interested in day trading or learning how day trading works. Also, whoever is holding SHIP, SHIP, has earnings call. I think it's I'm not sure when it's this week at some point, I guess. On 24th of March. Who is still holding SHIP? Who is still with us? Please leave a comment, hit like button, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you get the notifications for all the content I put on. I will start putting some videos about how to become a successful and consistent trader. Making profit through trading is easy, but keeping those profits is very, very difficult. Most traders end up giving the profits back to the market. So yeah, if you're really interested, please do hit the subscribe button. And guys, sometimes I just noticed that some people buy using market order. That is the worst type of order you can submit, because basically what you're doing is you are telling the your exchange, your broker, that fill me in no matter what the price is. So what this does is it leaves you exposed on, for example, if this is 1 minute candle, yeah, for example, this was 1 minute candle, and 1 minute candle, it is 1 minute candle, yeah. So you placed an order and you said to your broker that just fill me in no matter what the price is. And imagine your broker filling you in right here, okay, right at the top, and price dropped all of a sudden. It could be within seconds, this price drop, and it dropped from 767 to all the way to 726, and you might panic sell it straight away, but nonetheless it climbed back up and then continued dropping down. So a market order is basically you are sending an open order. You're giving the authority to your broker or your exchange that fill me in no matter what the price is. So this is highly risky and can fill you at a price which you might not like paying. So I always send a limit order. I always put a limit order and the price I like to pay or I'm comfortable to pay. So for example, if I was going to scalp this trade, I would wait for it to drop around here, and if it bounces off, I would then take a quick trade around this area, because we know this has actually an established support for on 5-minute chart. If we look at it, yeah, 1 2 3 4. So just understand that limit order will it will be filled right at the price you will say you will tell your broker to fill it at. Otherwise you're leaving yourself at the mercy of your broker that fill me in no matter what the price is, and that is dangerous. Sorry, Damien, I did not get what you're trying to say. Before market, I am. Sorry, didn't quite get that. Seven minutes to bell, guys, and let's see what market brings us. Who is with us? Please do mention your name and whether you are trading or not. And please also hit the like button. Oh, okay, sorry. Yeah. With day trades, you must know when to walk away. It's quite important that you don't hold on to the stocks you bought for day trades and hold on to them for because they turned against you and you think that they will climb up. Yes, in some cases they do keep climbing up, but if they turn against you and keep dipping, then it's not going to end well, because in the end it will take longer for them to climb back up. And plus, you should not take trades more than 10% of your equity. So I wouldn't trade if, let's say, you have $10,000 in your account, and your stop loss should be no more than 1% of your total equity, and that is quite important. First of all, you should not put all your money in one stock. Don't trade with all your money. I only use 5% of my equity to day trade. 95% of my equity is in swings and long-term investments. So every time I make some profit, I move it to swing trades, and then from my swing trade profits, I move them to long-term investments. Keeping your money in day trading account is not safe, because then what I normally do is, if I have, let's say, $40,000 in my day trading account, and my first target is to get to $60,000, and once I am to $60,000, I would move the additional 20,000 to my swing account, and then again reset my target to probably 60,000 again. So from 40 to 60 again, and then move that money again if I make that money. So basically, it's like, when you make profit, you move that profit into swings. So your trading account is always at your no more than 5% of your equity, or maybe maximum 10% of your equity. I have 3 accounts with IBKR Interactive Brokers. One is for my long-term investments, one is for swing trades, and one is for day trading. I keep things separate because then I can at least monitor them properly, where things are, and how I can move my funds around. Three minutes to the bell, and let's see what happens. I have a feeling that BNTS might dip before it really takes off. BNTC, sorry. Yeah, so basically BNTC stock surged because Morgan Stanley disclosed in a filing with the US Security and Exchange Commission after the markets closed on Monday, yesterday, last night, that it had increased its stake by about 5.2% in the Australian biotechnology company, which is very positive news. So it might continue. One minute. Oh, actually, it's up. 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2, 1, and the bell. Okay, let the action begin. It is dropping. And that's it. I'm not trading, guys. I'm done trading today, so I will not trade anymore today. I'm happy with what I have and I will keep it. And if someone likes at open, I would recommend waiting for at least 3 to 4 minutes at the open. Wait for it, see where the market is taking the stock. The lead gapper again today is BNTC, and looks like it's gonna get some traction. It's gonna break this level, and if it does so, that's why you should give at least a couple of minutes for market to reveal itself where it is going, because then you are in better position to decide to go long or short on a stock. For those who are new to trading, long is when you buy the stock thinking that price is going to go up, and short is when you sell a stock and think that price is going to go down. I will be making a detailed video on it soon, what is long and short. Yep, it is gonna make some move. And this momentum, you guys need to understand that always be grateful what you get in and out. Let's say you entered 710, you must get out at like at this peak, at this breakout. Just maybe half or quarter of your position must be taken off, because if you wait during these momentum like hours, like let's say minutes actually, usually they last for 15 minutes at the open. You must be grateful what market gives you. So again, if you entered right here at this candle, $7 or even $7.10 around here, 710. You must take profit around 735 or 735. Yeah, it's 25 cents profit. Take it and run. If let's say you took 1,000 shares position, that would give you $250 profit from literally what, 10 seconds, 20 seconds trade. Take it and just run. I would have taken trade right here, around here, 695 or around here if I were to trade, but I'm not trading, I'm okay. Or maybe here, 690 was a good trade. But then, as again, know when to walk away. If you waited here, that thinking is going to go up and you didn't take profit, just imagine this drop. So always understand that, you know, when to be grateful and take what market is giving you and run. That's why I don't like, you know, this time when market opens, at least 5 minutes after market opens is extremely volatile, and most people lose money during this time, and most make as well. But if you know what to do and when to take profit and when to just get out, then it's fine. But if you are new and you think, you know, it's just keep going up and up, and don't sell at, you know, high and then just wait, and then you will see this next candle, which is a big red candle, and that's it. That will eat out your profits and maybe will make you loss as well at the end. But again, I would not recommend new traders to trade you know, during this time, especially between 9:30 a.m. EST to 9:45 EST. Extremely volatile, and you could make big, but you can lose big as well during this time. Yep, see, it's continue going down. Maybe we'll find support around. It has found some support, but let's see how it works out. 653. So if I just drag this, you see this is clear support. Initially it was resistance in the morning. If you notice, in the morning this was resistance, and now it has become support. So if this is solid support and this is first pullback of after market open, then obviously it should give you at least 50 to 70 cents profit if you take a trade here. But again, it's extremely volatile during these times, and I usually don't trade at open. $6.26 is next level down. Let's see if it holds. And again, the action has moved to DLPN. Today SPY is red and VXX is green. What has happened over the past few days? Right, okay, it's it might start basically curling up now. It pulled back around here, past 3-4 weeks ago, and then it made new high, all-time high, and then now it's curling up. So if we just follow the trend, it's clear that, you know, it's respecting the trend line. Just draw the trend line. It's fine, looking good, and it's in this channel. See, so it's literally going in a channel. It might curl up and make new high. This time it might break 400, but let's see how it plans out to be. All right, guys, I would like to say goodbye here. I hope you enjoy, or you get the video and this live stream. If you did, please do subscribe the channel and also hit the like button and press the bell icon so you get the notifications on time. I'll be coming live again tomorrow, same time, and we'll be reviewing my trades with you guys. You guys take care, and if you are going to trade, please trade wise. Don't over trade. Make sure your entries are at a price you are comfortable with, and only take positions which you can manage well. Don't use too much of margin. Usually my margin is 1.5. So what I do is, if I have equity of, let's say, 40,000, so my maximum buying would be, this is on swing trades. I don't use margin on my day trades. On swing trades or investments, I only use 1.5 times. So if, let's say, my equity is $40,000 on in my swing account, and I would just multiply that with 1.5, and my would be $60,000. I will not go a penny over that. I would try to avoid using margin, but if I have to, if I see an opportunity and my capital is already stuck with other swings, I would it this way. So yeah, guys, take care and have safe trading. Good evening, enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow at same time.